Kwabena in the year 2000 kabana kabebe nka atiasefo ho at a gunpoint in Sobayiri in the Jirapa Lambusia district. And no jira ye ba be ka je Kufour na na de mini be wie kinten.
So Ghana political party political history. I can't say UGCC, but if 47 ba 69 was there time nearly power for Ghana. 2 years, 3 months, was their time. Me 69, maybe 30 years, be a member of parliament, be a founding member of Progress Party. 2 years, 3 months, was there I am a deputy foreign minister. I jump on 2 years, name say here. But you may not dash for prison with them 1 year, 3 months. Something that did there because we won't behind another detention. But in one year, they build the year. From 72 January, I jump on 2 years side, the tradition. There are more power pure that till 2001. Me am a great number department by power. 2 times Ghana, didn't see. And then the baby say, a young woman, a prepare woman. Na baby say, Bekona Nyamiada or Mamachona, your baby no me cry. Menjasi. Matiba company simu yen me bi nam stay. Ni agodro no na me party ni bi. Tinka me to ni mi hwem. So Ghana political party political history. I can say UGCC. But if 47
Ajatum
69 was there.
We are obeying nyina no ayaza mo bi amfa serious.
How?
Alakoda Addo.
How?
Papa echi ho. We mbre ni ti no. Ma me mbubu tot na me nkoda me nuam nkam. From 2008 ofura bemwa Akufo Addo bedi so a na o say party no. Yamu bi kaka kire no se papa e. Mani obegu party kasa keke. Oti nenum kasada.
No.
Oti so bawada. In fact, only the coffee could can't say more. No, catch us say, what do you mean? A party into party into, and then I saw other way that party near. Where that NPP no. What you wonder a Kufour Addo systematically, or be an officer, or you watch the tiny no, wo ye free party no. Obo wada. Ediya last Sunday. Look. Omono yes anyuma we ya edu dia last time UPSC yeni abre nyenum sa Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia omono ma wasa wabon no na yakwa Akufo afiri soro uti hwiche mu wo ba ya de asem no ka kire o se man of the destiny. How can you tell us oh my Ghana say ye tie ya ye bobredu sei wo kwa go ka asem so be a man of destiny e yoru Bawumia Kufour na kachire. And general Baba kachire and say, your friend say, ye take decisions are ye fro. Obesa me for serious. Since when I was here, ye take decision in fro. That time now, Kaka will be a man of destiny.
And why never catch so a man of destiny?
Kaka was Alameka as answer no be no. Or mouse sound by Dachi or free system anymore. Now Satiabo, Akufo Addo no bekono. Okasa we, yeah man yes aji we shall record we. Because some days we lessons because we may see the opportunity of being the father of the nation. Abre nipa dumienu na contest election 2024. Now could be a one be apart from so Kasa or a man of destiny no. Was up the catcher Ghana for you say or any nipa dumienu na kona or Bawumia pan and like you mudo obet me a year. When I'm say hey old man, now want to free. Look, before so Beko break, make a say me we 2000 I would have died a stupid death. Because my team and you know, now me tia would zakabas moi as a student, men through Sobayiri what Jirapa Lambusia district. Mama ni say, me ko mebusu afọ kroman kra wo Obien se me school mission de ade ya me wo gidie bi se Kufour be president a e be boa Ghana. Yakọ ye no. Then kwada koto aba ye preventing kwada. Na say na papa no nyina ekọ afuom ana omo maame no di sum edi speed akwakotwe omo fu ano omo ka job mo sorry amoti kromu ana mo so ye mema hwe say kabongafo. That was the first time I heard say ufri ase aye fro kabonga kabongafo ba be prevent mumba kwabena na mema yi banda kirikiri na sekanye yey na ni pe hu sa de wi ani to bam edo sala sato edo sala ne MP for Jirapa.
Yeah.
Ani ene ni mi no ho. So it is either all of us die here or you settle the matter. Ma me be near friend Mrs. Boone. No NPP to be MC for Jirapa. Ya bo ba be say to say yeah. Look, what are they talking about? Ni nyana ya wo Kufour here. One support to Alanda. Obi obeka to Kufour support to Alabia. It's a fallacy. Take it from me. And so Alan has suffered politically because of Kufour.
Yeah, it's true.
E fala no kwa no na pombe mu die kubusu ani die o medi running mate yan sacrifice Alan. That was the main reason. Na po ye ubusu ani abejani onko na Alan trante eyi ni wo fa se what you say na ntino e na oba begyina se ye yi wachi because omo tam omo twa di kura free party nim. Because what na what shama said you have for penina what if you me na nka no ye kan na nka refo he is the chairman of the Nakawifo. A Jaden and idea. Also, remember and sympathize with you. For what? For what? Akufo Addo buy Obosumia Kepiakranumpia.
I see.
I'm telling you. Look, no mukoye meeting what Pediase lawyer. What's the fear Pediase? Now we are so much to for Kramana. E-levy, what was his position? Or capture almost said, Mom for E-levy, or person near Akufo Addo near meeting. Buzadiba Akufo Addo Swane. One munukra. But when you now be catching a gun of Funyada, and now more free power. Nanyan run or start you or start it down. Muso move be NPP ideologue school as a diano. Ideology, dear Diana, another Bcos.
Papa be so much a chronobo school.
I go go Chelsea to marry ye. Say to my catcher buying says a much chill with Giska, and then it's a buy less you buy a year, where you 200, where you 400. She can't show me.
It's sad, eh?
She can't warm. Now, Monsieur Catcher Muntia, Mobile fire, no? So I say, and you know, where yeah, I don't go that I don't take it serious. Maybe withdraw my support for him in 2017. Abraham was consistently. How is it? So what the party anymore? Now you to me Paul Afoko as a chairman. Obi Agyarko to the swabo. One more what that? What you go for him Gasada? How is it? So party who would give any muda? Obi Agyarko to the swabo Paul Afoko. Paul Afoko so ya uhunipa. One more what that tete odi de bia yanka so we gentle giant na yan kwasiafo giant. Nobody is going to do that dogma job ni bio. And it may withdraw my service 2017 say papa yi me hwe na eye pese me nkumnya life nko a ano de betno ti me support my brabo bio ana me catch me kra se me kra me da wasesa me course ba yiri one kumi because me we are it would have been a stupid death and come in fan ko babia essence nipa na me di na chi a me ko se o ma me penny se ne be ya that one so free so a party ne be ya kono ne yi no wono nwini obi a ho oyo no nko a won so finish Brian Echampo campaign we Brian because Brian he kon na ko pen endorsement and it ga ku kwa meeting the journalist call ko dey what the microphone go see nenum na nim say oya dey won ka bibi ade okay overshadow the okoye nyina
Yeah.
What finish you? Wo occasion na only go din kobo no dey ba beton ho.
But you are talking as if he's talking as if Brian is a wise man.
Na ba na say na make out to finish na party one account. Na party na be so ba be mu the second vice. A party abuga. Enye buga na third second vice say. A party akodia.
Enquire na adu say.
Akobi ka James Okodi ohun ni ma say ho ba. Then no say hey.
That's it.
What is this?
That's it. Whether to be 5 minutes be every water.
Man, a lesson. I said, so I and your money be brave. On the share inside to honor. Only name some pa. Na, make us say, Emrebia, Emrana Rollins Tiaseno. Emrebiana Rollins a problem with President Kufour. Because Rollins can say President Kufour a hypocrite.
Yeah. No, the last man will can
say, oh, a hypocrite because one was Emrebia. enyome koso uni NDC ba power in 2024 no. Say you miss opportunity where you won't get another opportunity to bring this party to power again. Because emre bia panyina owo party num ebe kwa kwatena fie na wo ye praise singing na ebesi bia efe no, that party is doomed. Even sabi efie hampo adwuma yeye say wanyo obi obetene no aka say okay we ankoyi we koyi we ankoyi a, but ade am hu afa NPP ho pa, especially under Akufo Addo hu ye ne say on pay opposition, on pay criticism. And President Kufour also saw that this is what the man wants. But then because President Kufour or Donny party a China mind.
Yeah, it's true.
Or do MPP and this MPP ni ye boni crap upon fana no kanda.
MPP di Ghana bonia.
Who di Ghana bonia? If you say party no ene wo aban no. Na her party no ewo MPP aban 2016 and take over power in 2017 no. She boni pa President Kufour Addo dey on my way. But President Kufour amiena no anka ba kokura da. O say obeka no okukuom. Enti ye yete ho no. Ye nim se okukuom no bibi e koso fine.
Na video obeka na bonten ye.
Enti na de na ba. Ye te na bonten say o say en consulto. Akwabena wasem no say no kro ana lito na kan. O say onuru ba bia wa me a aduane hye nanumu a
list when kai
onu ba bi aduane hye nanumu a obeka say wa kom de no wo se nkokro no uduru dimension na kan omo a odidi kuro o se me de ende the whole day me nidi ye bo so onya nuru ho na kire say papa no mama kom de no enti e kompa na de no
mo fa bi amade ameka
ene meka sa ba bi aduru so no ade na jinsam apai ade na pai enti se ne obekan
be yi mani afi goda iso
ne obekan enti edi solution no hwehwe meje di say senka President Kufour etnetene President Kufour Addo aban no in the 8 years
they would have gone far.
Bia enkombenya 45%. But ubia watiti party edi party na bapa wa na woka say the Buzia Dankwa tradition, you know, since Buzia be president 1969, no, na mo ma power da. Into breye with the help of Entro Media, any other, moboao, and I'll be a president. 2 consecutive terms. Enti Elsanka wo stake our party no. Enti an indictment on not just President Kufour Addo, but President Kufour also say on the party atetia kodru 38%. Unim say with all the media slander, with all the CSOs I know Muktia NDC, with all the media now ever in the hands of NPP, NDC never slept beyond 44% da. There is no election. NDC slept beyond 44%. You're lucky enough. Unfortunately for NDC, no. President Rawlings score. President Mills score. Yeah, Papa, former vice president. Also, Oko. And what we have now, a former president here, was a current president. And until yes, so corner ubi abagi say, share no was answer as you dear home. But my dear, this President Kufour de near Mount for a who home. Our Mudina chino, what the party knew him more. And the party no one I did him. Also, the Ghana knew him more because some called two Akufo Addo for year now kind of one fan or back carbon to say, Macabia one fat. And can you who nay any Honda dano? And he made him in person can be brave. He said, a MPP fiasem.
Do fiasem.
Aha, saying call can Ghana some there. Say Ghana some of President Kufour can be break. And I'm saying MPP as Semontino. Papa Ira Solomon. We're doing community bebre. Timejai. I'm Omodi. Omufiasem.
All right, thank you, Honorable. And many Oralis were baby. Eja, 3 minutes.
Say of Akufo asem de eba ya na ne kan me den kakra. But me tie audio no any video no enra no. Ade e be si me trim ni say President Kufour is a disappointment.
Ade be see me trimu ano no. Because you see, se wa ben Kufour ni na din komo a na adwene mu do oyenyansani. Now for a nyansani like Kufour to sit down and watch a very, very good for nothing, only for the garbage.
Absolutely.
Man like Akufo Addo to destroy his country and the party that we fought and built in the interest of Ghana.
Also,
Edu baby, say me tia, Kwabena, yeah. Because one, asema wokan nyina no is about a disappointment, meboa. Who disappointed who? Because you see the odi actually share the odi kanantie. Akufo Addo ehye nyoma ase a enye party ni su ne ban no. Wa mo wada like Solo said. Wan ka bi da. De na me yakura san ka the party asem de on pese bi a obehoro entumagufi wa abonten a na oman Ghana de wa mo wada. Say Akufo Addo aye boni na President Kufour. Now it got to a point. The reason why Rollins was because the party for your bonny awaka.
Sign a my statement.
Now opposition for so a bonny anwaka. It's a fair no abegina brand say or my nature.
Yes.
Kufour saw no evil.
He had no
evil. He won't rebuke. He won't admonish. Kukuamua or the oka. Eba bedwemu or the oka. Obi also kosrana e wodi oka. Oh, and if you have such a person that you so love, na auditoriety to a point say afi no wabe suit say akwala a sebio yaje ne toya. It's sad. It's so worrying and very disappointing. Because Kufour had everything to stand tallest as a consummate Democrat. But look at how he has deteriorated. So fast. And so sometimes I'm so worried. Say, papa. Edi pan and kawuntimi nye. Edru baby on Kwabena. Sebi. Ye ka Ghana amampanifo a oma bako free nkroma. Kufour ye obi a oboni din kra no amoni ye a utimi nyamane.
Yeah, man for be ha.
Utimi nyamane o. Ema NPP for krampo ana omukura no sebi omumfa nidie ma no omukura suro so omubeka na asem because ukoka kra NDC ni kra mfa nchewo. Look at how NDC for kra mu the opponents no they revered him,
they respected him, yeah.
Because sebi or the nyansa bi ba yama yosemu. But it got to a point I had to say 4 legs good,
2 legs bad.
2 legs bad. Just say Akufo Addo ye bibia on kahwe.
Akwabisi President Kufour the AI in dada no.
I asemo. But I'm not sad. I'm not sad or empathetic towards the plight because Kufour Digane Hamo. Kufour could have done better. And it's painful. Say I've had to discuss Kufour in public like this. Because I really admire and revere him. But onwa nene ye ena say sebi edina ko baby awogina. We have more to share in the coming days. Me pese ebe pekene baako na ye aye futuo e de amaye nyina ho because e wo se egina Kufour nsemi a wo kan so e de to NDC for so fo. Oh, party NDC no. The way omo ankasa ye omo boni a omo atimi ka omo boni animu no. And then my partner is strong, I am very attractive.
Very.
But if you want to build an institution, also to become an institution.
Yes.
And
I don't
public institution.
I don't even business. Okay, business where you do SWOT analysis.
That is what
you do the good and the bad.
Yeah.
You look at the two
opportunities and the threats.
What I say, so all those things put together, Papa Kufour, asema o kan no, wa ankasa tie video no na se bi wa baby efa wo mu a fa na tase na echire bi wo de tu enkwalafo say never again should opani tena fie ma asefo afo ye beka say we panyin bone
Ablekuma nof mama ni guy and Rabina Obia se oba no tumi win election no wakokonde na o share ni campaign ase no na me feel say ngosi aga before the 2024 election.
Yeah.
But me feel say a focused lady. I would to me ma a clear free a good round for her money and come day 1 year and I don't know year. Until me bonabaso. I said that me no one I mean for my clear free na nkasa say see I want me who's NPP before that Jimmy. Because obi a mutumi could declare say yen take part in an election. Abra Justin could you cast election or moon take part. Na ma many tribute. Was on the regional national council and a candidate in Angasa Natiasi. Na sata na workers na ma mena busy on phone so all candidates the Jimmy be or Usika say e kabe wabo ha o be ka kire ye say. Enti ofiri wa no so be ko election. Mahamadu had a video brow kakra go yaro child or the share election. Wo was it gamme? No other travel the cast was Miano. And you hear the Mahamadu say, why let's won't go. Memeko. Anna, 1 week, a deal that young gas or mungo in Asabeta, Maminachi, and a wheeze cano. Ede Echo Buan, Macase, a buying some one got chinko for yan ye sika. Sika show mo. By elections and elections bebano say kana o mawia o manim no ene o meyi yaba be election no na se ngofo e o moton spare parts aboso kan go betme yi 200,000 400,000 se go moton force o kantamanto a edi go menya mfa so a bro so a
say
ya na o mate 200,000 400,000 se go moton gare o malabata marketer and government me isika broswa omo ye adwuma wo civil service mo a Kwabena sika shenkofo ho omo che 200 400 about 400 in the mama sek Alaji or he's known for that.
No, but no, hold on. But how can Bawumia claim say Wakomani sika? Then the woman is on radio telling us that it's a lie.
I'm surprised. I'm surprised that your question because who do you know Bawumia?
Go for so trophy number 1. What be ti mama no? Ba many check here and go for sika beba. And no more tata and say 200 and buy 200 about 410 no come 810. No so you
don't feel like Charlie.
Tell him I'm na swift oh. Some I'm a guy. Enunti na chese kakran so akodi omo. Me feel say the see wo Ablekuma no for no chese indeed NPP am on homody because see from the party's own perspective a bino perspective and a candidate na nkasa friend ekwe free na nkasa perspective no ade omko e bia kire se omanya omambo momode wo constituency wo se ekwe free ye wo ye MP wo constituency ni moda ana ye you free so wo sa back Kwabena I was suspect say campaign na meto wo ne se me ba ye no ekwan na da ha ekosia me na meboa me beyi se mbide mo nya yi boye development agents ba nyam na mo ye me ba e me sponsor sa bill wo parliament me ba e me boa ABC de ni ehu se
wo man ka hwe o
wan ka hwe
no but let me ask you what enkobaba so even Akufo Addo achievements no want me am fa bi anya campaign
do na me ba Kwabena
anyway
say candidate wo ye MP o hoda o also to me do sa a point 1 2 3 4 we ye ye say de be ya enkofo be gina so to abama no me hu ya say wakwako yi time bi aba o ye widow na say what are you talking about obije be dey wisia nonsense on
Ye be num sikasa.
Ene ge ngon ko Father Campbell. Ono so hia akotafo. Father Campbell ge ko pena, ye ko pa so onko ko ye mbio. Sanse huru na nkofo ti ko kromo a ana me ye widow, ana me izem huru no mbudi kire no. Ma mi ko baby a me ye widow. Okunafo. Okunafo. No okunafo na be so leading ngofo no. Wan kahwe. NPP as a party na call hono any abemufo na call. I was thinking say on a border scale no so on because ababa we ABC almost ko anam ko join ma me we widow tira akoye widow
ne kunu na ndisi fo ne kuna na
am say we cross here hwem we the widow sem ko to me and say we ni we unya ta grab constitution
okunu we how long ni
me am shut down for my bin ko so.
It doesn't make sense, so nobody pays attention to that. But how can you
who compare to me say who now bet me aboa go for bottom wa wo we don't tian to abama ana ma mi bia oti station wo odoko obusa no simple cause wo abra obeye deputy aye friend say ambassador to China obaha no abehwemu a ohwe ma me fo na comedy on
deputy.
Oh sir.
Yes na oh yeah on na deputy
I want to be deputy ambassador.
Me momonya deputy
Omu yibi.
No nyem.
Ambassador to China.
Deputy.
David.
China.
Unje.
Adodi.
Me musa ne sire muntia. Ba de okan de ni de so ho ma me.
Kọjá sọ ká tọ sẹ àfihàn kò lè yé yé na ba na
Oh,
wọ́n yà opposition bi ọ̀ sẹ́yìn mi bí a tẹ́lẹ̀ yìí tí wọ́n
deputy to Germany.
ẹ̀dùnmọ̀ wọ́n yẹ wọ́ ha ẹ̀ Germany ẹ̀ kọ́mìnà ẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀
o le di jabi bi a ko fa na
adi sábà wọ̀ bẹ̀ bọ̀ deputy omo wọ́n sẹ́ wọ́n kọ́ ọ bá náà kọ́ fa mpaboa náà di abẹ́rẹ́ nkọ́fọ́ bá wọ́n yẹ kú ha obeye MP wa ha odebia na atuka na utwa wiper kasa o maafu na Ablekuma no of the osenka and na can be before ni abotwanku no mo akoda o mase for 28 solid years the my MPP including my constituency Okaku South
Unni bibia kan ho
na Okaku South ye fo ma mkofa na da kwa new man be MP I say are we joking because politicians you know afab voters they say omo zombies anything you obey bia no e beto aba na yedey amam anything on the campaign front no omo ango cancer papa bia ewo eno kra na share constituency no ebufo na be kwabna I knew say on be bunko for otchere say Thursday me ko program original TV mene pato point na me see region ni mo na ana me say motos be 70 etina junction me rather mu say so surprise am mo obi a white ana ma tro ni mu etire blue army and I'm say what is going on ba me hwe boys ni so a omo mfiamfia na omo so say omo ya army they are all lacking vitamin C. Para omo nya vitamin C. Kasho fofo kwa.
Any di nyina.
Ano mo Timothy no so we are going to Ablekuma be stressa. You see, I was thinking say maybe no mo ko fa akwaje ho no. Now say police show because we read article 210 now. Nobody can raise any army in this country. Now mo say mo ye army. And just throw no say ka mo gino ano ho ansa na mo do.
Na say this for catch so mo green na.
E de omo nyina say ka so throw no su ho. Obi eni wo so onya army okrom a. Ana omo de obo so mo koi. Na Hawa Koomson. So abusuafo no mutie mo ntie mi. So onya muye ku ampuni a. Me scanning on all the social media platforms. So Kwabena, I was surprised say and comforted to Omonia de Ageno a doss some way on ya. A new pa or mufi said ye punishment no nya or sano. And Joseka, acquired to me wooden muno, a doss some money in the and we see me hu sa na me emu ahyem say ah oba besia e de na nkofo tumi kasa wo no wo enipa bonini and it let me tell you nkofo shouldn't sympathize with him no with them but across the politics in oh yes that just say within them no
before be omno me call campaign no omo ye me now for social media me no mo banter always emo frame we tire say eye
I'm telling you na even kra no you cannot say for certain say omo yes I dey every NDC because we deal with our friction with Kennedy Agyapong. So you see people are taking it on the same. That's why I believe they have to do a thorough investigation of what happened there. Because mind you, omo call internal primary so one of the problems. And to wear your opportunity. What you say?
Groups.
Where your opportunity. Now yes sir, okay. How come see the intelligence of picking your konokuta pepper spray?
Yes.
So what to me any intelligence be besin wafa pepper spray dia kaswa dia ba Ablekuma say o ba be spray of when so dia na just o see hwehwem na me the last time who so be the ti enu obi yam na ezidani odi nu matarazi yam ba no kra na ye close and the fuck is your man red car hey akwa we dia ne dia me who video
Gyamfi you
okay I call more long for the more nevi what ya won go for you now kromo to be two sir na ne we here do na dey me who here this akwa na tu ni yam suru
itri you when you na no anke
Kwaku Hawa
me kra de police for omo no nkrofo bebo omo ye police for omo guard no na we spray go money
me say na me ka say akwa no tu no me sure say spray be ko nani e to ko no na afi atiafa so because we should say we should tu no say wanya Hawa e ko bere e be si for mere pra ana Hawa eje saadie na me no de na eye mesere wo mu ne say adechi ana me hu se Bawumia akufio akwahyo no se
Hawa
fie okosano
okay
o se
they won't forget
John anhwehwe mu a
ante hore Hawa fie
no wo sika wanya
Hawa
wo de sika wanya o politics mu wasacha kwa itaso so wadi ngunim yes Odi aditi ayedi ye kasa ye ka ye ofa koko boda ya Gyamfi wa odi otchere ya o mi aka kaya diricha randi abi no to na on take post ni yero. What are you talking about? Na Bawumia ko hono mo a wasi o so mo anche omo a
de no a
they will never forget. O wie ya no ko share sporting atta no ko tena honey circle say o football. Oh anybody we a bad man. What crime will be finished? Don't go sebu. Who we ya asara ko ya ho se wo de come o wi adokot na ho ni sake wo chele ana we die ne mu eye Hawa ya. I hope say Hawa Koomson be sua bibie free esan say me ya we the war was be terrorizing go for work as well. Look membo bia fan who this afini ba be emotional or some of these things I was say wo mo edi boni okrom ha nyina no ya ma mo ti ase say entesu kokko obi anu and NPP na complain about say ya bu obi hey na de madana obi nyane me da eso ana
so
Ali Zakaria Oruala Nchemantia Suman so Uncle Northeast Bawumia Krom in election internal elections and representing or the moja de buy nonsense. Who is talking about violence in the NPP? They shouldn't annoy anybody. Mo bro Ali Zakaria on can crowd such one side my say munya 100% unless you bet you kunya 100% ah.
Na ebianse.
Oh, can you imagine? I was a teacher, I'm to die. Chachoma Mushino, say Ali Zakaria and side pin sheet now be kuno. That was the ordeal. I don't say one number official or teen and then in China papa. Internally, Kwabena Agyapong also when you're serious, the Gianas of Academia. Invisible party, your brother to say a
trying to car glass him. At look, at look,
Wako the other koi. Na ye cancer moi. Never come. What are they talking about? I'll be before they can say.
Poku.
Hey, you know what is that army? Now abem boni omudi din Kofour Kruma. Me I believe say what has to happen. They say I was say abanya wabakofa sa white people ni nyina. One more year was so west for go. You bo mudi your prosecution them because crime has no expiry date. Then you quenim. Esan say obien wa owo monopoly over violence. Now opposition.
No, but the NPP feels they have the monopoly.
Now boys, if you say me got here, me say miracle say macho man be abo bola so. Macho for ewura oni twa omu humpo. Wa God akai. O dey even identify me.
Also oba bi na ogina oba.
O ja se wo se wo kwa wo mu na oboto ayampia ye. Amfu amo na mu interview yi. Wo amfu tetema west. Onko hobi. Akwatia yi wonko bi ana woko pian gofo gu trouble Ablekuma yi kokoda sia fa se no akoje fanso
oduro ne honye
ojo ka wi no dwane wo tetema we sit yourself ya Gyamfi se bo ho dua ntre mema sem wo se wo kwa ya akwatia one in fact akwatia figures ni nyina kire say it will be extremely difficult for the NPP to win that seat. It will be extremely difficult. Now when you know, I see. Ultimately, the akoba ya ne baye. Yen nyina yanti asese violence enya de pa. In fact, akɔkyerɛ wadwena me.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.